Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. Microsoft introduced a new Vibe working agent called Agent Mode, and this is the article that it showed it. It was on the 29th of September. And as you can see, there's an agent that can provide additional analysis, and it compares this model compared to different models. So you see the Copilot in Excel only received 20% scored compared to the new agent mode that gets 57, and there's other models like ChatGPT and Claude 4.1. So how do we set it up actually? So in addition to the new Copilot that is added to the Excel, even for users that don't have Excel or Copilot license, we will go to the web Excel and click on add-ins. Now here we will look for Lab Excel, and as you can see, the second one here I can add, and now it added it. Now it might sometimes ask you to choose if it will be the default. Let me switch, because I'm currently in this tenant with a no Copilot license. It's not letting me use it. But let me switch to a Copilot tenant that I can activate. And as you can see, if I click here, there's an icon of Copilot Lab. Sometimes I will be asked to choose. As you can see, I can mark the default and open it. And now I can ask any question I want. And I can even create all kinds of ask for insights. So first thing I will ask is, here we have sales by product. So I will ask, show me all products and total unit sold. So it might take longer than what we're used to in a Copilot in Excel, but as it's doing some deep reasoning, then it takes longer. It's going step by step. If I show you actually what it's doing, so it creates a pivot and maps it. We can do actually lots of things, but here it's working, and if it will take too long, I will actually stop the video and show you the final information. Now, sometimes it adds a new tab with all of the information, and if I ask it, it can also create some graphs. So let's wait and see how it's working. So it's finalizing, creating a format. And to be honest, this new Copilot actually, up until now, you could add columns and do all kinds of things. For some reason, things cannot be created directly in the file. It offers to create you a new file, but this agent works very well, and it's actually giving what you want. So it's a bit hidden, but it has quite of potential, I will say. And you see that we have educating the Excel user. We have here a tab that according to the product code, it's giving a total, and hopefully it can also add more information. Actually, I should have wrote product name and not product, because this code is not as wise. So I will still wait, and so it's updating the header. And let's be patient enough, and I might cut the video, or you can skip and get to the final feedback. So just to show you for the meantime, if you want to know if your Copilot agents are available, you could go to the admin center under Copilot, and there you can go to settings, and one of the settings is Copilot Frontier. It enables early access to the program. If I click here, I get a mistake, but actually it should give 3 possibilities. One is to no one, second is to specific people, and third one to everyone. So if this is set, then you'll be able to see other agents. If I look here in the list and look for Frontier, you will see that I have quite a few. Not sure what the flow builder is, survey, but this is something I will check very soon. Okay, so let's go back and see what is a situation. Okay, so what we can see here is actually that it gave a total and provided more information. If I would ask for some graphs, it would provide that as well.